like a good one. Oh, I got two of them. I am screwed now. Come along for an exciting fishing adventure on the Tennessee River from the Shoals, where we catch catfish, huge catfish, and amazing drone footage. I'm Jonathan, and I hunt monster catfish in the Tennessee River from the Shoals. I search high from the sky, the deepest part of the river, day and night, looking for these legendary slobber knocker catfish. So come along on an exciting fishing adventure. First fish of the day. We got a late start because I struggle getting bait. Alright. Come on up, little buddy. He's not huge, but he's not a bad first fish. I see air bubbles. I see air bubbles. Not a bad first fish. All right, come on in here, little buddy. Gotcha. Gotcha. Looks like the cheap J hook. Nope, the circle hook gotcha. Let's get you out of the net. Boy, you almost got it in the eye. Those circle hooks sure do like to poke the eye of a catfish out. All right, buddy. I don't see too many battle wounds. You look fairly skinny, besides your belly being puffed up. Let's see if we can hear the air. Ow, he's clamping down on me. You don't have too much air. All right. Well, buddy, we're going to let you go so you can grow. And I appreciate you stopping by. And remember, play well with others. Oh, he swam off nice. He swam off nice. Look at me. T-shirt, swim shorts, and river shoes. What we got us another one. He don't feel like a huge one. He don't feel like a huge one. Come on up here, little buddy. I see air bubbles. I see air bubbles. Come on in, little buddy. Come on in here, you little Oompa Loompa. Let's see what got you. It's looking like the circle hook. The circle hook got you, little buddy. You weren't going nowhere. Well, that came out really easy.
Well, that's cool. That is cool. Let's get the air out of you, little buddy. Alright, you must have burped it all up because when we saw the air bubbles, because I don't hear anything and nothing's coming out. Watch it. Watch it. You are a good looking little blue. You hardly have any scratches on you. Alright, little buddy, we're going to let you go so you can grow. You live for another day. And he swam off nice. Now I got 2 poles to bait up. And look at me, t-shirt, swim shorts, river shoes. I am in my element. This is what I love. Got the suntan lotion all over me so I don't burn myself. And let's keep fishing. That one feels like a good one. Oh, I got 2 of them. I am screwed now. Oh. Guys, this is me. And this is me full of energy. Now me, hour and a half later, is going to have no energy. So I battled this catfish roughly for an hour and a half. During this fight, you may hear my voice a little aggravated, a little irritated, and that's just because I was getting tired and sore. Fishing by submerged bridge that has a lot of structure, these catfish have a way to get into this structure, and it makes it really, really, really difficult to get them out of the structure. This was a good fish. I battled him probably for an hour and a half. I cut the fat off the video, in which what I mean is I tried to get all the boring parts out of it so you don't have to see the whole entire thing. I've got an hour and a half down to 11 minutes. And what's also nice about this, I also pulled up 2 other fish while battling this catfish. So enjoy, and let's get to fishing. I see air bubbles. This one's a good one. Why is that one way over there? Holy, I got 2. I got double. I got chaos. My anchor. Let's focus on one at a time. Oh, this one's a good one. Yeah, this is just absolutely crazy. 2 pole benders. There it is. He's hung up. That's the bad thing about fishing around a submerged bridge. I can't get him off the bottom. He's locked onto something. He's under something. He's under something. He's under the freaking bridge. I don't know. I hope there's not a freaking trout line that I'm hung up on. God, this is crazy. I can't handle no more. Let's see if I can't get these other two in. Absolutely crazy. Come on up here. Oh. Oh. Now that's a nice one. That is definitely a nice one. Let's see what got you. The cheap hook. The cheap hook got you. And you lassoed yourself. So you technically weren't going anywhere. That line's starting to get stiff. Oh my goodness. I can't handle no more. I can't handle no more. Let's see, what got you, buddy? The J-hook. The J-hook got you. Or not the J-hook, the circle hook, sorry. The circle hook got you. Yep, he's starting to run. Let me see. Ouch. I think we got some twins. We definitely got us some twins. Oh, I heard that. Got all the air out of you, buddy. Let's see you. I'd say we're having a good fishing adventure. All right, buddies. Y'all go play well with others. And thank you for stopping by. All right, they swam off nice. Yeah, I hate to lose that one, but there's a bridge down there. There's a lot of structure. And I think he's in the structure.
Denied.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh, we got a good one. Yeah, we got a good one. Nice. He's a good fighter. Come on. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Very nice. Come on. Okay. He got him. Ouch, he's biting. Oh. Looks like the cheap J-hook got him. All right, buddy. Man, he got some sharp teeth. Man, he got some sharp teeth. All right. Looks like we're at 38 inches long. Looks like we are at 25 for belly length. Ah. 23, 24, got 23. All right, watch it, buddy, watch it, buddy, watch it. Let's see if we can get it twice. I'm gonna say 23. 23. Let's see what we can do here, buddy. There we go. Nice. Woohoo! Oh, look, we got another one. We got another one. All right, buddy, I'm gonna let you go. Play well with others. I think I got another one. There. I believe I lost them. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, we got us a nice one. Come on up here, little buddy. I don't know how little you are. Man. Woohoo! Man! Look at that big old guy. Come on, don't get over by the motor. Don't get over by the motor. Don't get over by the motor. All right. Yeah! Woohoo! Oh, ow! I don't even know. Dude, I think I'm gonna have to screw your eye up. Not that I want to. Not that I want to. Ooh, I got lucky. I got lucky, I think. Oh. I got lucky. All right, buddy. Let's do the measuring on you. $36. Boy, he got some long whiskers. He's got some long whiskers. Don't bite me. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right. Boy, he's pretty close. He's maybe a little bit skinnier, but he's close to 25. Stop. 25, 26. Can't get it to hold. Oh. Let's see if we can get 26 one more time. He's 25. Can't believe I struggled to pick up a 25-pound fish. Man, I'm glad you stopped by. Woohoo! Ow! All right, buddy. Get my hand out. All right. All right, buddy, I don't see too many battle wounds on you. You go play well with others. Cannonball! Let's keep fishing. All right, let's see what we got. Come on up here. He don't feel like a big one. He don't feel like a big one. Come on up here. Good size. Well, I wouldn't say good size, but he's better than those teeny ones I've been catching the last couple of weeks. All right, let's see what we can do here. Come on in here, little buddy. You got a little weight to him. You got a little weight to him. Let's see, what got you? Oh, the circle hook. The circle hook got you. You're pretty blue. You got a couple little scratches, but for the most part, it looks like you play well with others. I believe you already burped up all your air. I saw air bubbles. Oh, you had a little bit in there. You had a little bit. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end the video on this fish. So, I appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing. And remember, let's play well with others. Alright buddy, thanks for coming up and visiting me. Alright. Let's keep fishing. What's going on, Catfish Junkies? I am ending this fishing adventure. I'm going to go over my fishing conditions. Had a great day. I think I missed 2 big ones. I know one was big because the drag was pulled, broke the line. The other one I'm not so sure about because I'm fishing by a submerged bridge and there's a lot of debris. There's a lot of structure down there. I'm almost tempted to believe that I did have a big one, but he could have been a small one and just wrapped himself around a pole, a tree, something. I mean, I know I had something on the line. I just could not break free. But great day, great day. I am fishing Wilson Lake. I'm fishing 65, 70 feet deep. I am struggling to get shad from the net. I think my problem is I'm just not finding them. I want to say I spent about 2 good hours looking for them, and then I gave up and I got the rod and reel out and caught some brim on some worms. I can't complain because it worked very good for me today. Water temperature is 64 degrees. Air temperature is 45 degrees this morning. I did start out with pants and a couple layers of shirts, but once it got to 70 degrees, as you can see, I have stripped off. I am in my element, t-shirt, swim shorts, river shoes. Absolutely wonderful. Rain forecast is none, the way the good old Guppy likes it. Blue skies. We had really blue skies this morning. Now we have slightly blue skies with a little bit of clouds. Perspective fish bite is a 2 out of 4, which is average. Drone conditions are great. 4 miles per hour winds with 14 miles per hour gust. You're actually going to see in the video, I was going to fly the drone because I haven't been out here that long. I did catch 2 fish, but I figured I could sneak in the drone, and then total chaos hit. Poles just started going down. The one was the one that was hung up. I said I think a fish was on it and wrapped himself around something. And then 2 other poles had some 10 to 12 pound catfish on it at the same time. So I had all 3 of those rods that I was dealing with at one time. And that's when I said, no, I'm not going to mess with the drone. Radio station is Tesla. On Spotify. If you haven't tried Spotify, I'm not a sponsor. I don't get anything from them. I just thought it's a nice radio station, especially for me being out here in the middle of the water, to kind of listen to some music that I want to listen to without listening to the same tracks over and over and over again. So, Tesla radio station, good tunes. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up, hit the bell for notifications, and remember, play well with others. Let's keep fishing.
Are you out there? Have you seen all that I've done?